one of the things that we were trained when we were since young, and then college students kind of all, is certainty. You don't want to make a decision because before you make a decision, you want to feel certain ka, sure ka. Well, I gotta tell you right now, nung empleyado ka, well, let's go back. Elementary, high school, college, there's always a teacher telling you what to do. Finish this project, finish this homework. This is how you write. This is how you speak. This is how you pronounce a word. There's always telling you if you are right or you are wrong. Empleyado ka, gumraduate ka na ng college, pumasok ka sa trabaho, you have a boss, you have a manager, you have a supervisor. What are their jobs? To tell you what to do. That's right. They also gonna tell you, kaya nga may training di ba? May training. They're gonna train you first para hindi ka magkamali o ma-minimize yung mistakes. And then they're gonna tell you, may evaluation. They tell you if you're right, wrong, right, wrong, right, wrong. What happened to our mind is we were trained to get validation from people if we are right or if we are wrong. So you don't want to make a decision not until you get some validation first. Well, I gotta tell you right now, my friend, you have to break that kind of mindset because as an entrepreneur, you will make a lot of decisions. You and I will make a lot of decisions and nobody will tell us if this is right or if this is wrong. So if you have a 3 niches, is that for the most part, they are all profitable. It's just that you are waiting for validation. Because again, the bottom line is fear of making mistakes. Kaya nga sinabi ko sa inyo, if you follow my advice, if you go through the training, you follow my instructions, and then nakakita ka ng market, just go for it. If you did your research, yeah, Sir John, nakita ko may money rito, may profitable, mayroong market, may Facebook group, I saw some books on Amazon. Finalo mo yon, just go for it. Stop waiting na hopefully bubukas ang langit, may anghel na bababa sa'yo, and then boom, go for it. Minsan nagiging religious, spiritual tayo. Lord, please, sana mapanaginipan ko kung ano yung niche market ko, Lord. Sinasabi sa'yo ng Diyos, sinabi ko na ayan ayaw mo lang takot ka. Okay? In most part, that's it. Wait, before you go, do not forget to click that red subscribe button below. Appreciate it. Thank you for watching.